Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to get variation listings to appear on your eBay listing. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have an eBay listing and you want to have multiple variations within that listing. How do you actually get that option to appear? So for this example, you can see that I don't have the option to add variations to this specific listing. So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually get variations to appear on your listing is that first you're going to go on your listing and then click on these three dots in the upper right hand corner and then click on settings and then make sure that variations is toggled on. Now once you toggle it on, you'll see that I now have the option to add variations to my eBay listing. So if I click on edit, you can see that I can add an attribute, and then with that right there is how to add variations to your eBay listing. Now if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.